In this video, I'll show you how to connect OpenPhone to HubSpot so you can integrate your calling system with your CRM and keep communication data organized. OpenPhone has recently been rebranded as Quo, so when searching for the integration in HubSpot, you may see the name Quo instead of OpenPhone. To begin, sign into your HubSpot account and make sure you have permission to install apps. At the top right of the dashboard, click the Marketplace icon to open the HubSpot App Marketplace. In the search bar, type Quo and select the integration from the results. Open the listing to review the details and confirm the features and permissions it requires. Next, click Install and choose the HubSpot account where you want the integration added if you manage multiple portals. HubSpot will then guide you through the authorization process. Sign in to your Quo account when prompted and approve the connection so the two platforms can communicate securely. After completing the authorization, the integration will be installed and you can confirm it by checking the Connected Apps section in your HubSpot settings. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.